So I want to take a minute to talk about the maintenance of the rim spray machine. Maintenance is very simple. There's only a few grease fittings that you need to take care of. There's one on each of the wheels inside the pump, and then there's another one on the very bottom of the machine that's a bearing you need to grease up. Once a year is all you need to do. We use Red and Tacky from Lucas Oil. From time to time, you're going to get clogs, or you're going to get some concrete that may set up in the hose if you leave it for a couple of seconds. But that's nothing to worry about, because this machine will come apart. This pump will come apart without any trouble. There's these 9 bolts. They're 9/16 in size, and you can just use a wrench like this. Take those 9 bolts out. The bottom of the pump will fall apart, and you can get the hose out of the machine without any trouble. If it's got concrete in it, you can run it over with your fork truck or your truck, crush the concrete in it, and just shake it so that the concrete falls out, reassemble it. I've had customers be able to do this in 30 minutes or less.